Today, November 9th, 2021. What's up, everybody? It's been... what's it been? 2.5 weeks? It's been 2.5 weeks since I did my rust application, the DiseaseEx, and I have not done any watering at all. I put down DiseaseEx, straight up just DiseaseEx, no fertilizer, no nitrogen, no, what else did I used to put down? No humics, no nothing. I have way more rust. And I did the curative rate. So for anyone who's asked any questions about the video I made about DiseaseEx and that I didn't answer anything, I wasn't sure what it was that worked. I will tell you right now, straight DiseaseEx did not work. It's drizzling right now. Camera's getting wet. See, the ground is wet. I just wanted to do a quick update. This is literally 2 weeks and what? So, wait, I did that on Saturday, 2 weeks ago. Now it's Tuesday. For anyone who had any questions about DiseaseEx and I did not answer it on my DiseaseEx video, I'm answering it right now. The last application that I put down did not work. In the past, with every time I've done it, I've usually put down some sort of nitrogen, some sort of humic, something. This time, straight DiseaseEx, and I got 0 results. It's November, it's been foggy and drizzling. I've never had rust over here. This stuff's got to go. It's really bad over there. Bad around here. Look at the rusted tips. From now on, anytime I do DiseaseEx, I'm throwing down fertilizer. I have not watered since we got that rain. It's been over 2 weeks since I've watered. Okay, so I got more DiseaseEx. But I also got some of that. And I also got so now I'm going to try this next, see what it does. Because I want to use my spreader again. I'll do this and then we'll see what happens. 3.5 pounds per 1,000. So I have 1,000. I do 3.5 pounds. That's curative rate. It does get rid of rust. So it's been a while since I did any videos. I just been chilling. Don't touch my wieners. So, I got a lot of beer to catch up. Four flowers. Casa, this is actually getting up there in age. This was canned August 13th of this year. So here it is, November 9th. Getting up there. Still good though. Still an excellent beer. That's excellent. Put that off to the side. We're gonna go with this stuff this time. See how that works. I'm gonna give it a couple of days. If I don't notice anything, I'm gonna hit it with some nitrogen and some humic, RGS, all that stuff. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go with this. I want the 18 and the 18. I want good root development. It's still fall here for another month, so I can put this stuff down. It's supposed to warm up at the end of the week, so we'll be back in the 70s probably until hopefully this weekend.